The best part of the day is taking all of this off. Welcome back. Well, today we are getting unready together and my doorbell is ringing, so hold on. Welcome back. Today I'm sharing my updated nighttime routine. Okay, this routine has been a game changer for me lately and I need to share it with you, so let's get unready together. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get in to this video. Mom, it's just me tonight. Jaden and Caesar are out. Isn't that so crazy?
That's good. You get some time to yourself.
It'll be quiet. After a full day of running errands, there's nothing better than unwinding and getting my skin clean and fresh for the night. And I'm by myself, so I'm about to have a full-on self-care routine night with you guys. So this is my solo routine without my son and husband in my nighttime routine like they usually would be. Mochi's always waiting for me when I come inside the house. It's the sweetest thing ever, and he always gets mistaken as a girl because he's so pretty, but he's a boy. Okay, I'm headed to my closet. I just want to warn you guys, it is a mess because I just came back from Houston from visiting my family for the holidays. Wait, we have to pause because this refreshed my mind and my heart and I have to tell you all about it. We celebrated Jaden's birthday while we were in Houston, got to spend all the time with the family. I cannot believe my child is 17 years old. There's no way. I got to spend time with my mom, my favorite cousin, as if we don't FaceTime every day anyways, but I did my sister's makeup, my mom's makeup. I'm always doing someone's makeup when I'm in Houston. Went on a family stroll, tried the Sabrina Carpenter brown sugar shake and espresso, and then spent time with my cute little niece. I would love to show you how organized I am, but I'm working on it. I have to take off all my jewelry. I think it's a sensory thing. Pajamas are a must when I get in the house, and then removing my face. This is my full face of makeup for the day, and it is ready to come off. Lately, my favorite cleanser has been the Beekman 1802 Micellar Milk Froth Cleansing Gel and Makeup Remover. It does both in one, and it actually works. And shout out to Beekman 02 for sponsoring this portion of today's video. It looks clear, but when you work it into a lather, look at the froth on this. I love a good froth. It's very gentle, yet my skin feels hydrated and refreshed afterwards. It's non-drying and non-irritating, which is great for my sensitive skin, but it's good for all skin types because it's formulated without fragrance, parabens, sulfates, alcohol, mineral oil, all the good things. No tightness, no residue, just clean skin. I've been loving a simplified routine in 2025, and this is definitely helping. The best part of the day is taking all of this off and letting my skin breathe. Can you tell I'm holding onto these lashes for dear life? No man that doesn't wear makeup will understand the satisfaction of removing your eyelashes and having a naked eyeball at the end of the day. A long day of running errands. It's so good. You're amazing, sweetie. You served your purpose. It removes everything in one step and my skin feels so clean and refreshed afterwards. I don't even need a double cleanse when I do this, and that's definitely new for me. Okay, this moment was so refreshing. So fresh, so clean, not one stitch of makeup on my face. This is why she's my makeup bestie right now. Now that my skin feels so fresh and clean, it's time to lock in all the hydration with my nighttime favorites. I first start off with a serum, a little boost of hydration with a serum. A lightweight, refreshing kind of smoothing is a must. When you're massaging the products into your face, use a light pressure so that it absorbs deep into the skin. I promise you this actually works. Sealing it all in with a good moisturizer is key. Heavier moisturizers are great for nighttime. And if you have dry skin like me, the thicker the better. Same with this one, push it into your skin for better absorption. And then at the end, I like to mist a toner to help balance my skin for that overnight glow. And then I like to slap myself a little bit. It's called skin patting, and it helps to stimulate blood circulation and improve blood flow so your skin could look more radiant and have that glowing complexion. Also, I kind of slayed this hairstyle that I accidentally gave myself out of nowhere. I cannot go to bed with crusty lips, so I wear a lip mask every night. Let me know what you cannot go to bed without. Honestly, all I can think about is food right now. Since it's just me, I ordered Chipotle, put on a show, and lived my best life. I have been hooked on The Last Resort in 90 Day Fiancé. You guys tell me what shows you're watching. Side note, I've been having so much trouble sleeping, so I've been drinking chamomile tea at night to help me relax, and it's actually helping. If I also do a little sleep melatonin gummy, that works too, but the chamomile by itself is great. You guys should try it and let me know if it helps. I don't know why I feel like I look like my mom from this angle, but I kind of love it. I actually hear Jaden and Caesar coming in. Finally. I love a little self-care about myself, but having your kid and your husband around you, it just feels very secure and just is the best. But anyways, I'm about to go to bed right now, finish this tea, and I just wanted to thank you for hanging out with me tonight and getting unready with me. A freshly cleansed face is my ultimate favorite at night, and this cleanser's actually made a difference in the way my skin feels at the end of the day. Like, I wake up in the morning and my skin is still glowy like this, and it feels very plump. So I actually love this cleanser. Let me know some of your get unready faves. I always love hearing recommendations about new products I've never heard before. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't seen these videos right here, I think I'm pointing in the right direction. I don't know. They're around this video somewhere. If you haven't seen them, check them out. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We can stay updated every single week together. Join the Dom fam. And before I let you go, I just leave you with a motivational message to think about during the week. And today's is, you need to love yourself before you can love anyone else around you the right way. Learn how to talk nice to yourself. You deserve the best. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. So tired.